Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how I make my cheese stuffed meatloaf. It's like a Mexican style keto meatloaf. It's stuffed with cheese. It's super delicious. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for meatloaf. So for our meatloaf, I use a mix of chorizo. So this is ground beef. I have a pound of ground beef here, and I've got a pound of chorizo here that I'm gonna mix in with the ground beef. I'm just gonna kind of break it up a little bit so it's easier to mix. Okay, we're gonna mix these together. And then we can add in our other ingredients. This meatloaf has so much flavor. Everyone loves it. Okay, now we can add our other ingredients. We've got, instead of breadcrumbs, we're gonna use almond flour. And then we're gonna put in some minced garlic and some onion powder, some garlic powder, some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. It's one of my favorite spices. And some minced onion. Of course, you know, I use frozen minced onion. You can chop an onion if you want. Some salt and pepper. And then, of course, an egg to bind it all together. We're gonna stir it up and see if I don't need to use my hands. Looking pretty good. I just love meatloaf. It's such an easy dinner to throw together, and everybody, you know, has their Italian meatloaf recipe that they love. And why not have a Mexican meatloaf recipe that you love as well? And I think this is a winner. So the chorizo that I used is it's really not the traditional Mexican chorizo. You can use that if you want. It's they have it at most grocery stores. So we're gonna put half of this into our loaf pan. Just half. About right. We're gonna smash it in with a fork. And now I've got a brick of cheese here, and I'm gonna cut 6 slices of cheese. And this is what we're gonna need for our cheese stuffing. So I'm just pressing it down into the meatloaf mixture. And then we're gonna put the other half of the filling on top. Just like that. Okay, this is ready for the oven. This is gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Okay, here is our meatloaf all out of the oven, and now I've got some jarred salsa here, and I'm going to pour it over the top, just like that, and it's going to look amazing. Look at that. Can't wait to cut into it and show you the cheese. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks, it's like, speechless. This meatloaf is super easy and super flavorful. It gets rave reviews. Even my husband, picky husband, and kids like it. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for meatloaf. And I have an Instant Pot meatloaf on my blog that you should check out as well. And let me know how you love this meatloaf in the comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.